This is about harnessing the same strategies that governments and financial titans have used for decades to generate intergenerational wealth. And that system is called decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. This isn't just another trend or a flash in the pan. It's a transformation of the financial system itself. When big investors know the rules, they feel comfortable jumping in. And that's exactly what we're expecting in 2025. Think about it. More users, better tech, and a green light for institutional investors. When these three forces combine, DeFi won't just grow, it'll explode. And if you position yourself correctly right now, you could be riding that wave straight to the top. But let me be clear, DeFi, like any investment, comes with risks. It's a new technology and there are vulnerabilities. But that's why you don't go at it all alone. Education is the key, and that's why we're here, to help you guide through the noise and give you the tools you need to make informed decisions. That's also why I'm going to give you a step-by-step DeFi investment strategy that you can start using today, no matter your experience level. Let's dive in. Real-world asset tokenization, or RWAs. Now, this might sound complex, but stick with me because it's a big opportunity. Here's how it works. Traditional assets like real estate, art, or even commodities are digitized and turned into tradable tokens on the blockchain. Think of it like taking your house, splitting it into shares, and then letting anyone buy a fraction of it, just like they would with stocks. This opens up the door for regular investors to own a piece of high-value assets that were once reserved for the ultra-wealthy. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Platforms like RealT specialize in tokenizing rental properties. So you could buy a tokenized share of a rental property and earn passive income through rental yields. Just imagine that, owning a part of a property in Detroit or Miami, earning passive income every month without ever dealing with the headaches of being a landlord. Another platform, Securitize, focuses on tokenizing private equity. They digitize assets like private company shares, which were once only available to high net worth individuals. But now, through tokenization, you can invest in these markets with much lower capital. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, tokenizing real-world assets unlocks liquidity. This means you can buy and sell fractions of assets easily without waiting for months or years like you would with traditional investments. It's like owning a piece of the Mona Lisa or a downtown skyscraper and being able to sell that piece anytime you want. And here's the pro. It opens up a multi-trillion-dollar market. You can now invest in things like real estate or art without needing hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars up front. But there's always a but. With this space still evolving, not every platform is trustworthy. Choose the wrong one and you may end up with tokens that have absolutely no value. That's why you need to stick with reputable platforms like RealT or Securitize. These have already built a solid reputation and are trusted by serious investors.